Samantala sa parehong pagdinig sa Kamara, isa pang opisyal ng Department of Education sa panahon ni Vice President Duterte ang lumutang at nagsiwalat na nakatanggap rin umano siya ng mga sobreng may laman na pera. Ayon sa DepEd Director at Lawyer Resty Osayas, nakatanggap raw siya ng mula 20,000 hanggang 15,000 pesos mula Abril hanggang Setyembre noong 2023. Kapareho ito ng unang isiniwalat ng dating DepEd Undersecretary Gloria Mercado na nakatanggap siya ng pera mula kay Duterte nang siya ay HOPE o Head of Procuring Entity ng ahensya. Kapwa sinabi ng dalawa na inabot ito ni Education Assistant Secretary Sunshine Fajarda. Una nang sinabi ni VP Sara Duterte na pinatalsik si Mercado dahil sa umano'y pagsulisit ng pera sa isang kumpanya sa ngalan ng DepEd.
I didn't know why I was summoned to the office of ASEC Shine, and then I was given an envelope, and it was later on I found out that there was money in it, but it was not because I was a back member or whatever yet, because I was not at that time.